Hello friends, the whole world is facing a huge trouble and we all fallen completely from it. Yes guys, you are right. We are talking about coronavirus epidemic. But is this first epidemic for the world? It is not so. Friends, if we take the history and see them, we know that the world also faced a dangerous epidemic in the past, and this epidemic is more horrible than coronavirus. And friends, the number of people who died in this virus are could not given. Let me tell you that if any disease spread in very big area, then it is called pandemic. And in today's video, we will see 10 worst pandemic in the history. So let's start this video. Number 10, yellow fever. Yellow fever is very rare in today's time, but from 1600 to 1900, it was the world's most dangerous disease. And friends, this disease is also caused by the virus and spread by mosquito bites. In this disease, there is severe head pain, fever, and pain in muscle, and it becomes so difficult to tolerate the disease by the patient. And jaundice is also symptom of this disease, and this makes the body yellow. That's why this is called yellow fever. Within 8 to 10 days, the patient will die. From 1694 to 1855, the disease spread like fire in USA, Boston, Philadelphia, and Norfolk Flow, and killed many people. In 1878, the disease spread again, and almost 1,12,000 people were infected, in which 20,000 people were killed. But then scientists created their vaccine of this disease, and even today it happens in some countries like Africa. Number 9, Japanese smallpox. The main reason of this disease is variola virus, and the main symptom of this disease is fever, vomiting, and also a rashes occur all over the body. Along with there is severe blister in tongue and throat. Friends, the mortality rate of this disease was 30%. It means 30 out of 100 patients were died. In 1735, the disease took a terrible form in the region of Japan. This disease affected the mind of Japanese people, and even today they consider this disease as a curse of God. Number 8, Hong Kong flu. Friends, Hong Kong flu is caused by the S312 virus. This disease is also a type of influenza which causes cough, mild fever, cold, but from 1968 to 1970, it killed about 4 million people in Hong Kong, and later scientists found that S312 virus is ordinary virus, but now they change their gene structure and attack the people. Such change in the language of science are called mutation. If we talk about number 7, then it is Anthony plague. Plague was the one of the oldest epidemic in the world, and this is also known by the name Black Death. And this disease is caused by Pasteurella pestis bacteria, and it is spread by mice. In this disease, there is fast rising fever. Later, the swelling takes form of glands, and from these glands, blood start from bleed. Later, eyes become black. Friends, this disease was also attacked by Roman Empire in 1st century, and it is believed that this disease was the main reason of decline of Roman Empire. From this disease, 2 kings of empire were killed, and it also swallowed up to 10% of the population. Number 6, third plague. The attack of plague from 1855 to 1959. It means it created problem almost 104 years, and this was the first time when plague attacked all the continents. This disease creates a lots of damage in all over the world. For example, Hong Kong in 1894, Mumbai in 1896, 1900 in Australia, and the America city Los Angeles in 1924. And the most fearing thing, almost 20 million people died from this disease. Today we are creating a containment zone for the prevention of coronavirus. But something similar was done to stop the plague disease at that time. but not much success came. On number 5, HIV/AIDS. Many people heard about HIV/AIDS. It is a sexually transmitted disease that is spread due to sexual contact. In 1981, America found this disease and it is caused by the HIV virus. Apart from sexual contact, the disease also spread due to contact with infected blood. From this disease, the patient's body becomes so weak and any bacteria and virus can easily attack him and eventually become the cause of death of the patient. This disease started in 1981 and even today we are struggling with the disease. And today almost 40 million people were suffering and almost 25 million people were die from the virus. And even today there is no cure has been found. So saving is the only way to protect yourself. On number 4, Plague of Justinian. Friends, many people consider plague as a most deathful disease and you can see that it is coming third time in our list. This epidemic occurred since 541 to 542 in Byzantine Empire. According to history, almost 40 million people were died from this disease, and this is not a small number because this figure was 10% of total population at that time. On number 3, Spanish flu. After the end of First World War, this disease took a birth in 1918. When problem of war ended, then Spanish flu came in front of people. This is believed that the disease started from the soldiers returned from the war. This is also type of influenza who affect the children, younger and older people equally. In a very short time, this disease cover whole the world and almost 50 million people were die from this disease. If we talk about number 2, then it is smallpox. After the outbreak of Japan in 17th century, the disease once again came in 1520. Now this disease came in Mexico. At that time in Mexico, there was a Tenochtitlan empire and it was believed that every person of this empire will die from this disease. Until the vaccine is not prepared, it killed almost 4 lakh people in every year in Europe in 18th century. On number 1, bubonic plague of 1347. Now the outbreak of plague in 1347. It was believed that those people who died early was so lucky and those people who survive, they see hell on the earth. Friends who want to see decomposed body everywhere. This time plague eliminate 1/3 of Europe's population. At the same time, some people tell us this figure even more. This epidemic lasted for 4 years. The disease killed 1 lakh people in the city of London. The number of people who died of the coronavirus epidemic of this time was almost 8 lakhs, which was put a break on the whole world. So I would say that be careful, use your hand wash and try to avoid go in crowd. So guys, what do you think? Which disease is most dangerous? Tell me in comment section. And hopefully you like this video, and if you like to see such interesting and amazing videos, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much for your valuable time.